Good morning. It is our last day here. Actually, we're leaving today. This is a travel day. We're heading back to Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's about a 6-hour drive, and we gotta say goodbye to this beautiful country. Man, it's gorgeous. So much to do here. And we just scratched the surface of all the little canyons and crevices, fins and things, and all sorts of stuff to discover here. But man, you could spend a lifetime just exploring this area. Super fun. A bit touristy here in Moab, but you know, you get out and away from more of the crowds, it really can shine in the sense of, you know, you don't want to be around a lot of people. But man, it's gorgeous. I mean, look at this view. Alright, I'm gonna head back to camp, finish packing up, and get on the road. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh yeah, and I found, like I say, where there's cans, there's humans. Well, everywhere I go I find these things. Just pack out your garbage, guys. Try to remember to bring it back with you. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's beer. That explains it. I don't even drink beer. Not that I'm against it, I just don't like it. Not a big, oh, man. But that's okay. Found out I have a blister on my bottom of the pad of my right foot, and it popped, and it's a little tender. So, that's a bummer. Thank you, Jesus, for this amazing time to be able to come out here and explore and discover and relax. Such a cool place. So we're camped over there with that green, you can even see it, little green shade tent. Tear it down. That'll be the last this place sees of that thing probably for quite some time. How good it is. Made it back to camp. Time to tear it all down. About 9 o'clock. Sweet!
Grooving on a Sunday morning afternoon.
Like a puppy. Recreation area.
Goodbye, sand fleas.
Yep. We're gonna have to go get the powder to put all over your body to get those fleas away from the sand.